Alright, what's happening with the early 99 F-350 is the washer fluid is not making it to the windshield. I can hear the pump trying to run, so I checked the lines going all the way back down to as far as I could easily trace it without tearing too much apart, and the hose here, and it seems to be clear. I don't think there's blockage in it. What I can't check is the whole line all the way to the reservoir, which is underneath the right battery. So what I'm going to do is check the screen inside it where the pump draws water and see if it's clogged. This hasn't worked since I've owned this truck 10 years, and I have not ever chased this down this far, but I want to get it working. First thing, I'm disconnect the battery. I disconnect the positive on this side too, so we don't have any juice on the system. Take this out, extract the battery. I already loosened it up. Pull the battery out, and then I think you got to remove the tray, and then we'll see what else we got to take out of this sucker. Okay, my tray. Looks like I got a bolt here and a bolt here, and looks like there's a tab holding on a wiring loom there. I don't know if that has to come off or not. That might be attached to it. Well, one way to find out. Alright, mine are 13 millimeter. It appears that the side bolts are connected, and they have to come off. Actually, not come off, they have to come out. And these are in a lot better condition than the ones that sit under the battery. Alright, it's loose, except for this wire loom over here. This little tab right here needs to get pushed out, removed somehow. Be gentle to it. You can reuse it. If not, it may not work very well anymore. Alright, looks like it's free. Here's the hose. That's the actual line that feeds the fluid, I believe. Looks like we got a tin here. That one on the firewall there. That firewall, sidewall. Oh man, it dropped. Alright. I gotta get this one out so I can even attempt to locate that one. Okay. Ooh. There's the bolt. On the very bottom is the hose, the pickup hose, and here's the pump, and then here's the power wiring harness. Anyway, it looks like it's a push clip that came right off. And the hose, there's some slack in the line, and it looks like it just slides on. Hopefully don't damage it. A little twisting will break the C's on it. Seal, come on. There it goes. And got a little leakage. Alright, now it appears that to get this screen, you gotta take the pump off. Looks like it just pushes in and pushes out. Guess I should have watched a YouTube video of this. Alright. And just pull out. I guess just pull it out. There we go. And look at that. First thing in there like a moth. And yeah, we got blockage. I'm holding it up. There's still a bunch of fluid in there. Alright, nothing coming out. So, time to clean this thing. It's just water and vinegar. That's all I put in it. Old stuff, but some green stuff there. Looks like that might be gelled. Oh, it's gelled windshield cleaner. Look down in there. Looks like there's a bunch of stuff in there floating around. Oh yeah. You can see, ooh. See, there's not much light coming through there. And that's a lot of goo. So there's the problem. Now it's see-through. This is made out of some nice rubber. It's still, this is 2021, so this is made in 98. It's a 98 truck. Build date was May, so this 23-year-old piece of rubber. It's in good shape, and this is still dirty. So it's gonna need some washing. I think I'll just wash this whole thing up a little bit. Looks clear. Let's shove this in. Pump itself. Just kind of pops in. Check the hose, and the hose does not look good. It looks like a convenient place to disconnect the hose would be right here. I'm going to take it off here and then clean out the line. It does not look very good. So there's a bunch of things working against me here. I don't see a problem there. I'm going to have to pull this through. Pull this out. Don't hurt yourself. Right there is gunk, big time. There we go. You can see the other ends running out down there. Good. I guess I blew out the crap that's in there. Put the hose back. So run it real quick. Put this onto the pump. There we go. Kind of get it in position for the power cord. It only goes on one direction. Snapped in place. It's free. That's good. Get the cap in the right spot. Line it up. I'm going just snug. No reason to force these. They're on plastic. Just to hold it in place. There we go. This little tab here goes towards the battery. Holds the lip down on the side of it. And then put the terminals back on. I think everything put back together. Okay. Test time. Ready, set. That was empty. Come on, you can do it. The question is, does it work when it's not turned on? We'll try it turned on, see if it makes a difference. Well, it looks like it's not working. Time to order a pump, replace the pump. There's nothing else I can think of. I'm not really hearing the pump do anything. I think I would hear something out of it. Yeah, I hear nothing, it's dead. New pump came in, and it looks like an exact duplicate. Looks like it'll fit. So let's do the process again of removing everything out and swapping out the pump, see if it works. By the way, I did check the fuse in the fuse box, 10 amp fuse under the dash, and it was fine. So I even swapped it out, tested with another one, it's fine. So this is the only thing that it could be. All right, gotta pop it out, pull the filter, little screen there. I guess I'll change it out, although the factory stuff might be better. And then I'll stick this one in, maybe. There it goes. It looks, well, that's a nice clone of it. Alright, reverse order. Ooh, licky licky. Hold here. There. I get it somewhat position. Like I said, there's a little clasp right there that locks it into place. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna do the microphone next to the pump here, see if I can hear it, and I'll test it. Okay, now I get to do it for real. This is awesome. Ooh, throwing water on me. I got the window open. So push, and it cleans. I love it. I love success. Anyway, I should have done this decades ago, or last decade when I first got the truck. This was my solution for weekly, or depending on time of year, it could be every other day or every day, depending on how much junk there was on it. Love bug season, whatever. Simple fix. It was kind of a nice to have, and now I don't know why I waited, but one more time for fun. Just push. There we go. Yeah. Now I maybe get some real cleaner inside that sucker. I don't think it needs to be adjusted much. I think it's pretty good. Anyway, hope it's helpful to you. Don't procrastinate like I did. You know, just do it. $12 for the pump. I'll post a link to it. It works. Heck, if it makes it a year or two, it's well worth it. Anyway, have a good day. Num 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 num. Bye bye bugs. Yeah. Yeah.